Anybody hear anything about the once talked about franchise system for Jamaica's Premier Football League? I can't hear nothing. But the JFF is still clutching at the franchise concept via this move to have the Premier League clubs equally spread across the parishes. And that is why the JFF and CASAFA are in this big tussle over the changing of the qualifying format, which will eventually reduce CASAFA's Premier League presence. That principle worked for the feeding of the 5,000, but it cannot work in league football. Your Premier League is supposed to showcase the best teams in the land, even if 9 of them come from CASAFA and the other 3 come from St. Catherine. What the JFF is doing is effectively watering down an already watered down league by using political geography instead of merit and quality to decide the teams in the Premier League. The teams in the EPL or La Liga or Serie A are not decided by geographical spread, but by a qualification process that invariably advances the best teams regardless of their location. So in sheer football terms, what the JFF is doing to CASAFA is wrong for football. Biggest population, biggest economy, more resources, better organization, better infrastructure. CASAFA on merit deserves to have the lion's share of the Premier League teams. The JFF need to check themselves before they wreck themselves. I tell you what, no JFF. I'm going to get Craig Butler to come help us sort out this thing.